The question says, use the quadratic formula to find the roots of this quadratic equation. Okay, we have x squared plus 2x minus 6, and we have x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. So we are using the quadratic formula, okay, to approach this. Solution. So the quadratic formula is given as minus b plus or minus, okay, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, quadratic is always in the form of as squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So how do we approach this using this formula now? So we have minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we have minus our b represents 2. This is a. The coefficient of x squared is a. So a equals 1, b equals 2, yc equals minus 6. Okay, so applying this formula to solve this. So minus b, that is minus 2 plus or minus square root of my b is still 2, that is 2 squared, okay, minus 4 times, okay, so my a is 1 times my c is minus 6, okay, so divided by 2 times my a is 1, which is this. So for me, I'll say minus 2 plus or minus, so square root of 2 squared is 4 minus, so minus times minus is plus, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 6 is 24, okay, so divide everything by 2, so times 1 is 2, which is this. So from here, I have minus 2 plus or minus square root of 24 plus 4 is 28 divided by 2. So from here, this is a non-perfect square, so we have to factor it and look for a factor that we can easily find the square root of 1. And this 28, you can say 4 times 7 is 28, so I can write this as minus 2 plus or minus, okay, root 4 times 7, okay, divided by 2. So here I have minus 2 plus or minus, square root of 4 is 2, that is 2 root 7, divided by 2. But when you look at the numerator here, you can still factor 2, you can still factor it out with 2, so you have here, which is a common number, so you have here 2 into minus 1, okay, plus or minus square root of 7, okay, all over 2, which is this. And when you look at this, 2 can easily cancel 2, so I have here minus 1 plus or minus square root of 7. So when I'm to put this way, I'm saying root 7 minus 1, okay, which is the first one, okay, and I have here minus root 7, okay, minus 1. So to the second one, I have x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. So I can approach this by saying x squared, by saying a equals 1, which is the coefficient of x squared, b equals minus 5, and c equals 4, which is the constant. Okay, so solution. So applying this formula now, I have minus b, that is minus, which is this, b is minus 5, so minus 5, okay, plus or minus, I have square root of b squared, b is minus 5 squared, okay, minus 4 times my a represents 1 times my c represents 4, everything divided by 2a, that is 2 times the value of a is 1 in this case. So here I can say equals to minus times minus is plus, so I have just 5 plus or minus square root of, so this is minus 5 squared, so I'm saying 5 squared, that is 5 times 5, which is 25, minus 4 times 1 times 4, that is 16, everything divided by 2, okay. So from here I have 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 16 is 9, so everything divided by 2, 5 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3 over 2, okay. So here I'm saying 5 plus 3, okay, the first one here is 2, or I have a 5 minus 3, over 2, okay, which is this minus. So 5 plus 3 is 8 over 2, that gives me 4. And 5 minus 3 is 2 over 2, that gives me 1. So 4 and 1 are the roots of the equation.